Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to run the latest Android 16 emulator on your Windows PC or laptop. The best part is that it's the official Google emulator with the Play Store built in. You can install apps and play Android games straight on your computer. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so stick around until the end and follow along. Before we start, I have a request. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Android Studio. Click the official link. This is Android Studio website. Here, click on Download button. Agree to the terms and download the setup file. It's almost 1 GB, so expect it to take some time. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Now run the setup file to start installation. Now follow me to install it on your PC. When the installation completes, hit Finish. Now open Android Studio. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Accept the license agreement and wait while it downloads the required components. When the download finishes, click Finish. Android Studio will open automatically. Once everything is ready, click More Actions and choose Virtual Device Manager. Then press the plus icon to add a new virtual device. A new page will appear showing a list of Android devices. Devices with the Play Store icon support Google Play services. Pick any device you want from the list. I am going with a tablet device. Click Next. Now select First ISO image. If you are creating Emulator for the first time, you will notice a small download button here. Click that to download your ISO image. Once done, click Finish. Your new Android emulator will be added in the list. You can see it is Android 16. Now click on the Play button to start the emulator. On first time, it may boot slowly because it's us creating its Android environment, so please wait patiently. And that's it! Our Android 16 emulator has booted up successfully and everything is ready to go. You'll see the familiar Android home screen, just like on a phone. Now you can sign in to the Play Store and download any app or game you want. Take a moment to explore the settings and performance options too. So that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.